my mom gave me a smoothie. So as I was saying, the Large Hadron Collider is really a portal to hell. So don't trust that damn thing. See, look, in Sandman, like, Lucifer gives Morpheus the key to hell. It's basically, this is like predictive programming. Humans being given a key to hell for something they want to own. But Satan will be your master and shit. It's what creepy. See, that's what you want. That's what's gonna happen to our world, Earth. It's gonna turn to hell. It's creepy, man. Do you really want that, your world to become? You're gonna suffer like that so that you feed them? They live! Reptilians, man, the Aswangs. You gotta, like... See, they're feeding on us, man. Also, evil humans choose reptilian part of the brain. Illuminati card, fraternal orders. That's the Satan side there. See, Illuminati cards show how it's all connected and shit. And they like these Aswangs, Satan. They create like the Siren Matrix. Research about it. Subliminal message. Oh, there, Illuminati book. I mean, isn't it very strange how like Neil Gaiman, he makes like huh? Yes. Okay, I want smoothie.
Banana, mango, peach, and...
Oh, really? Thank you. I make videos. Man, you know, like crappy hell world. I won't get a freaking smoothie. Oh. I'm like starving and shit. These fucking things are gonna feed on my louche, man. Your louche too. You wanna have a nice smoothie to drink. I gotta tell you people the truth. Cause I'm Mimic Octopus-Man. Sweet, I'm Mimic Octopus-Man. Got these evil. Shit, man. Otherwise your world's gonna turn that. What the end of the world looks like. See? Chris Hedges. Too big. The Chris Hedges even says, like, a scene from... Oh, there's a long article here. Seed found dominated aspect glorifies our dehumanization of women, narcissistic demigods, malicious capitalist hell, pornography right into the lore looks like. So, like, you know, be good shit. So for this, in one video I put like the heads of turned Anki into a devil bird like creature. Oh shoot, where's the other head? And they put like there. See, that's why I did Anki. But here, where's that? I'm gonna defeat this actor. I know what this all means. Subliminal message. Put consume. And pwned. Ooh. Defeated. I'm just gonna put this in one video. Take that, Lucifer actor. Hey, Neil Gaiman, I mean, like, you made Satan look cool. I mean, like, Lucifer. See, I was reading one of his novels, like, in one of them, like, it's a detective story or something. Like, the angel is, like, murdered. And then, like, what happened? Ooh, I forgot. But, like, that's what your world's gonna turn into. Something about... No, but it turns out it was God who did it all along. He wanted, like, things to get crappy and shit. And then, like... Oh, by the way, this is the Silent Film. Very old. 1911. Creepy. But, anyways, I'm not gonna watch it. I like that. I'm just going to... But anyways, it was God who did it, and then Satan got all mad, wanted to fight God. But God was the one who started all the evil, according to Neil Gaiman's story. But then, I mean, like, he promotes, like, Satan in his book. But then, like, all of a sudden he's a very popular writer or something. Doesn't make any sense, man. So anyways, remember, bullshit. I gotta drink my smoothie, though. Shit, I'm not thirsty. Ugh, evil Albert Pat. Freemasons are Satanists. I'm gonna cover this. Whoa. So anyways, don't use the reptilian part of your brain. You're controlled. Cthulhu. But I'm an Octopus-Man, not Cthulhu. I'm good. What else did I want to show? Also, don't follow the fascist Christian right. Kevin Gallicino. Shit, I think my mistake. Oh, look. The Divine Comedy of Dante, inspired by a little girl only 9 years of age when her grief died and immortalized Inferno. I read the Dante Inferno books. Dante's Inferno book. I read Dante's Inferno, Purgatory, the Purgatory one, and the Paradiso one. Beatrice was Dante's love. Something like that. George Carlin. Oh shit, I'm gonna type up. Oh man. Oh, George Carlin's very truthful. Well, but he could be ruled, but he was probably controlled by the Illuminati though. Devil's Trill. G minor. That's the wrong thing here. I gotta drink my shit, but I just want to show you people. The Illuminati are the Swanks, reptilians. Satan is their leader. Look what it says here, what Satan said. You also rule a world, Morpheus. A world of sleepers and dreamers of stories. A simple place compared to hell. I envy you. That's what Neil Gaiman, the Gaiman Lizard, wrote. So I wonder, like, does, like, the devil appear in your dreams? All the people's up in hell. This is the 9th circle where it's all cold. Man. Well, I'm gonna do my last movie. See, that song was played by the devil. They have turned the human race, as Bill Hicks says, into a virus with shoes. That's us now, humans. We do evil, like kill and rape. And now, this virus with shoes. Our clothes pollute the environment. It's gonna bring the devil to outside, to our world. Gotta stop the madness. Don't follow the Christian right. Don't follow this, like, crazy religious fanatic people, man. you know, like those, like all this, like the elites, they do like enough of this satanic garbage music. Christian right. Look, Chris Hedges talking with Abby Martin. But remember, you gotta watch out for like, you're into hell. But, you know, Chris Hedges, the Christian right. Like, the Illuminati caused all these satanic beliefs that people turn to the Christian right.
There's a much less discussed and much better organized sector of the far right that has obtained significant power, the Christian right.
American fascists. These fascist Christians, they're so afraid of the Illuminati and their satanic beliefs that they follow the Christian right. But,
citing the repeal of Roe
you know, like, they're control the Christian right and all the other religious crazy people
more
are
votes from
controlled by
evangelical Christians than even the most
the devil.
overtly religious.
Look, Cena wants to come out.
Like Mitt Romney and George
That looks red, that's creepy.
Prominent Christian fundamentalist Mike Pence is in the empire's second highest seat of power.
Stay inside there, Satan.
Littered with his fellow extremists.
You're bad.
Such as Betsy DeVos,
You need a good spanking.
Scott Pruitt, Rick Perry.
You mope there, you see beard, and that's inky. Look at the beards.
Now they
Beard.
have unprecedented influence over U.S. policy.
But he clearly wants to come out. But no, you stay right in hell where you belong.
For the growing threat of fascism in America. Author Chris Hedges has written extensively
Chris Hedges is
about
from the
what he
Illuminati
calls
card
the development
intellectuals.
of a Christian fascist movement. Even when
Since I'm already here, I'm gonna
American fascists, the
Illuminati
Christian right in war on
cards.
America, as well as witnessed and reported on the rise of fascism abroad. I talked to him about neo-fascism and the danger
plague.
posed by this once fringe evangelical movement's recent rise to power. Many are calling Trump
Plague of
a
demons.
fascist, even the
Holy
next
shit,
Hitler.
look at
Can you
that.
define what is fascism?
Reptilian
Fascism
shapeshifter.
is.
But you know, once Satan comes out, you're gonna have this.
It's very protean in terms
Plague
of
of
its ideology.
demons.
There's a German historian I like very
That's
much who
creepy
wrote
right
a book
there.
called Male
Dude,
Fantasies
up at your
about the
pony.
Freikorps. And he describes
And you know, like,
this was
how
the
they say there's gonna
Freikorps
be
was the
alien
antecedent to the
invasion?
Nazi Party. They
Well,
were
that's gonna be the same
demobilized
thing as, like,
right-wing,
demons and aliens
World War I
invading.
veterans who
Once
were used
Satan,
to
the
crush
Alpha Draconian, is
Spartacus
unleashed.
uprising in Berlin and the
Alien.
kind of radical left.
Gotta drink my nice smoothies.
Luxembourg.
But I gotta show you people the truth about
And
this.
it revolves more around emotion, hypermasculinity,
Demons, alien
a
invasion.
virulent nationalism,
They say Chloe Martinez is a man.
celebration of
I gotta make a
quote-unquote
video
strength,
about that.
of military
But anyways,
virtues.
See,
It holds up
it's
a kind
connected
of
and shit.
moral
That
purity
could
that
an
it
alien
claims
invasion
to
could be like a
represent.
demon invasion. Don't follow
It's
Christian
hard.
right. Be like
Robert Paxton wrote a very good
independent.
book
Think
called
for
Anatomy
yourself.
of
Well, no.
Fascism, and he notes that
What the fuck is that?
fascism in every country has its own peculiar characteristics in the sense
Did
that
I just have a
Italian
vision of
fascism
a
was very different in many ways from German fascism.
Satan, demons, and
I think that
alien invasion.
Fascism, although I'll use the word
A demonic alien
to describe
invasion.
Trump,
So,
is
alien invasion would be really
perhaps not
demons,
finally
and
accurate. I think
angels.
you're better off describing
fucking
our
things up,
system as what
invading.
Sheldon Will, the political philosopher, calls inverted
That's what they look like.
totalitarianism,
Reptilian
by
nature.
which he
Satan.
means that
So where is
you're
that
not
thing?
replacing old symbols and structures.
Where's the
It's
other
more like
thing?
the old Roman Republic after
Shit, where I put
the civil wars and the rise of Augustus. So you still had a Senate.
Anyways.
You still supposedly had a republic, but it was all a facade.
I can't
So you have
remember
corporate
quote.
forces that purport to pay fealty to
Where did
electoral
I put
politics,
the
the
devil bird?
Constitution, the
Oh, here it is.
iconography and language.
So anyways,
of American
that's Satan right
patriotism,
here.
but internally have seized
So
all the levers
cover,
of power to render the
boom,
citizen,
evening like.
disenfranchised. And
Right near here.
Wolin writes that in that system, politics
Dragon
is never
like.
able to trump economics.
I have a
It's all
book
about
around here where they put it.
economic consolidation,
up there.
maximization of profit. And
That's for a future video
so
coming.
what we're getting with Trump is, I think, a species of inverted totalitarianism,
Where is it?
demagoguery.
I gotta find this shit. Oh, here it is. So it says in here.
Right.
In medieval times, the devil was believed to take the form of a dragon. Disguised like this, he would enter homes, wrecking them and terrifying, even killing those inside. So the devil would like
far from
You know,
monolithic.
like
We
Earth and
have,
shit.
The Christian right, the alt-right.
In the form of a
I
dragon.
know that you've spent
Holy shit.
an enormous
Man,
amount of
he's
time
huge in
studying
this
the
thing,
Christian
man.
right,
It's
but
creepy.
What exactly
Oh, big
is the alt-right?
Satan is
How
in
would you
there.
even define this ideology?
But Kananigan
Would you
says
say it's
the
synonymous
Alpha
with
Draconians
neo-Nazism,
are
like how
like
people are
Skeksis-like.
saying that today?
So,
Yes, I think it has a lot
bird-like,
of characteristics with neo-Nazism.
devil bird-like.
But so does the Christian
So,
right.
let's look
The
away from
Christian right,
stinky Satan.
like
You
the
suck, Satan.
alt-right,
Stay in there.
is endowed with
So anyways,
all
they're
sorts of
gonna,
conspiracy
with
theories,
the Large
coupled with
Hadron
magical thinking, coupled
Collider
with
thingy,
an utter disdain
you'll be
for
able to, like,
historical
travel
fact.
like Dante and Virgil in and out of hell.
And
But Satan's gonna use it to
I
come
think
out
that
and
what we
wreak
will
havoc.
see is that the Christian right will become
And the people will follow
will
fascism.
fulfill Trump's ideological.
Man, I don't agree with any fascist, man. I'd rather live, like, in the wild, away from,
And I
like,
think
Alpha
that will
Draconians
be
and humans.
So I think
Be
this,
all
in many ways,
independent.
will be the empowerment of the Christian right,
Satan just wants to
which
come
I've
out and
always
wreak havoc.
considered a political movement. I, went
Thence
to
issuing
seminary,
League and Beheld the
church, I do
Stars.
not consider them Christians any more than the German Christian Church, which was pro-Nazi, was Christian. The German Christian Church had the Nazi flag on one side and the Christian cross on another. That's how I look at the Christian right. And that's why you saw 81% of evangelical voters support Trump.
I love this line
even
from
though
Nonsense
his
Radio, when
personal
they finally
life
escape from
makes a
hell.
mockery of the very
And I got your my
values,
smoothie.
the kind of family values
Thence
that
issuing,
they say
thence
they
issuing League and Beheld the Stars.
hold.
Is there any images here?
So I think when we're watching with the Trump presidency, especially as it comes under attack from the establishment, both the old land
Thence issuing
Republican
League
and
and Beheld the
Democratic establishment,
Stars.
you'll see his fortress become that the ideology of the Christian
there's
right.
more
which
here. I
wrote
love
a
this
book
line.
called, The American Fascists, the Christian right and the war in America. I didn't use that word lightly. I think they are Christianized fascists.
But certainly there's a differentiation between the Christian right and this kind of emergence of these emboldened bigots who seem to be much more vitriolic, the alt-right, who call themselves the alt-right.
No, I think the Christian right are as bigoted as the alt.
Man, I'm not going to join any fascist group. I'm going to be, like, independent and, like, never, like, conform or anything. Take that way. I gotta keep this the way it is here. Really? I know, right? Really. So, anyways, this is like key to hell. Shit, man! Imagine this opening up. So basically, the Large Hadron Collider thingy, Hadron. You like it's a key to hell. This thing. It's gonna open hell and shit. That's what Satan wants. He wants you to let him out of there. Stay in there, you. You suck. I'm gonna give Satan the middle finger. You stay in there. Neil Gaiman. Shame. Promoting Satan. But I don't want to follow the Christian right. But people are gonna be fake to follow the Christian right. Shit, man. But that's a dragonette. Bottomless pit. That's where you belong, Satan. Mouse. Wait, I got an idea. Hey, Daddy. Ah! Oh, cat. Sweet! I got Michael the Angel. Yo, Satan! I got Michael the Angel up in here. Nah, but you stay outside. Yeah, like, play with me. Wait, I got me. See, now? Ah, I got Michael the Angel here now. Michael! Defeat the Satan and his evil Illuminati. Stay in there, Satan! I'll kick your ass if you come outside. I'm so scared. I think I'm so big, and I'm bigger than Dante and Virgil. But I'm so scared. Stay in there, or I'll beat you up. I'm much bigger than you. Okay? You're like, whoa! Michael's gonna kick Satan's ass. I'll slay you with my awesome sword, the Riddle of Steel. I'm like, I'm so scared. Yeah, and I'll step on you too, Satan. Ah! So, anyways, and I'm gonna put this. So, basically, don't let Satan outside, humans. Seriously, you want God to punish you too? God will punish. He will. Wait, I'm gonna put... I'll hear that again. So, remember, Enki is Satan. Don't open the portal. Listen to Michael, don't open the portal. Neil Gaiman, shame. Promoting Satan, that's why you're so famous. Because I'm creative too, no. Fortunately, like, people don't read books nowadays. You need other books to distract by the television and the internet. So basically, in this predictive programming book, Sandman, Satan is telling you, let him out, but no, don't. So, these cards, man, they predict CERN's Large Hadron Hadron. I'm getting mixed up. Large Hadron Hadron. I'm feeling like it's Large Hadron. Anyways, it's predicting the Collider thing. Plague of Demons. Illuminati are the reptilians, the Alpha Draconians. That's the Illuminati. And that's their leader behind Michael there. But let's just keep Satan inside there. Thanks, Michael. They live. Wait, I never got to hear the full song, so I'm going to keep it. I suck with an urge. You say you want to know. Like everybody. Sink like a brick in a bottomless pit. Ooh, 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 ooh. That's what you get for being evil, Satan. You're stuck in there. And don't join the Christian right. Seriously, it's the Christian wrong. Or any crazy religious people. You can be religious, but don't be like religious extremist or something. Don't be evil, Alpha Draconian. Oh no, angel. As long as you're evil. Stop feeding on energy. Eat something yummy. Evil. Stepping on. Don't open this portal thingy. Bad Enki. Don't be a virus with shoes, as Bill Hicks once did. Oh man, I'm having fun. I'm having fun with oral theme. I gotta end this video and drink my smoothie. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, put that. So anyways, just look at all this. Evil subliminal messages, they live. Bad Neil Gaiman. Neil Gaiman, that came in lizard. Quit promoting Satan in your art, Neil Gaiman. Seriously. I saw what you did. I mean, you're making Satan look pretty cool. Making the angels drool. Something about Duma and that other angel. About something about, like, Duma. No, the other angel, the one's name started with R. He, like, he would have joined the devil, but was too afraid to join the devil. You're making it, it makes it look cool. That's not cool, man. Not cool. Not cool. That's why you're so famous now. Comic books are Illuminati. Seriously. Seriously. I think where's that book? I had a lot of that stuff. Didn't I print out something around here? Wait, don't this is gonna be for future videos. I should have put it. Where's my shit? I need to find it. Maybe it's not. Ah, shit! I gotta drink my smoothie. I'm just gonna go deep in there. Deep. First video. Ah. It could be like deep in space or somewhere. Shit. Sometimes I lose shit. Wait. Deep. It could be deep. Ah, here it is. I want to reveal the Illuminati card comic books. And comic books are Illuminati. You dress up like that, you end up wanting to be like that. And the Octopus-Man just exposed the CERN's thingy. Collider thingy. I'm gonna cover it. There. Let's not look at Satan. Ha! Take that, Lucifer actor. I know, really, it's messed up, man. Man, that work sucks. Man, school sucks. I feel like I'm like more oral. I'm like that. Dude. Things with your heart. So anyways. Don't like turn the collider thingy into a hell. And don't promote Satan. Or else that's what Satan's gonna do to Earth. Earth has to form Gaia and Medea. Satan wants to turn into Medea. Research it. Gaia supports life, Medea destroys life. No. See that? The CERN thingy is the gateway to hell. Listen, don't. I got in this video. Yes, they're the devil's clientele. So think with your heart, put a mortarboard on your aorta. Think with your heart and come graduate unto the Lord. Think with your heart, Jesus wouldn't ask for anything lesser. Think only with your heart, He's our sweet Savior, not a college professor. Don't trust the Illuminati and the Freemasons. Another like fascists, you know, be independent like me. Individuality, yo. Man, it's gone too long. I'm gonna drink my smoothie.
From the housetops to the gutter.
Wouch.
From the ocean to the shore. The warning signs of all.
Man, I gotta clean up. My brother's gonna come very soon.
Far too great a number to ignore. From the cities to the swamplands. From the highways to the hills.
I guess this blank here.
Our love is never had a leg to stand on.
Whatever. You know, Satan is Enki.
To the cross times to the